I am feeling under the weather because of New York's bipolar ass weather. Every time it goes hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold, all in the same day, I get sick. This is what happens. So it's not Rona. But anyway, the braids were making me feel worse, so the braids had to go. So I took out one individual braid, moisturized with my Cantu, detangled from ends to root, twisted the section up, Bantu, did that for my entire head. Once I was done, I used my Suave detangler spray. I mixed in some of my JBCO concoction into the detangler spray. And now I'm just going to put on my shower cap and my bonnet. And I am going to sleep like this while this NyQuil get the working. I'm going to tell you guys why I'm doing this. The reason why I'm doing this is because I need to trap moisture into my strands, because taking out the braids, my hair was moisturized from like root to mid shaft, and then the ends were dry. And I was using this detangler spray to saturate my braids before I tied my hair up for bed every other night, and my hair was still dry at the ends. And I know the ends are the oldest part, yada yada, and that's why I decided to do the Bantu, trapping in that moisture. Second reason why I'm doing this is because didn't your grandmama tell you when you don't feel good, you ain't supposed to wash your hair or with your chest? So yeah, those are the two reasons why I need moisture. And my grandmama would definitely, if she was alive, kick my behind if I went and washed my hair. So yeah, I'ma wait. All right, so I just took my bonnet off, and y'all see that little steam right there? Yes, that's what we trying to do. That's what we trying to get. It's like a steam treatment up in here. Yes. And plus I'm drinking my tea. And I got on this damn winter pajama set, my Sherpa. And so yeah, we doing a nice little steam treatment. My hair is going to thank me for it. Don't worry about my nails. I need to get them done. It's Rona. I don't have Rona, but I'm just saying she been messing with the maintenance. But she ain't gonna get to these curls, I tell you that much.